when someone lands on a website for the first time, what is the decision that they're actually making in the first 5 to 10 seconds?
Yeah, effectively what they're looking at is whether the website has the possibility of offering whichever product or service they're looking for. So when you're thinking of how people land on the website, particularly through organic search and Google and other search engines, they're searching for a specific keyword, they're searching for a specific key phrase, they have an idea of what they're looking to find. And so what they're really looking at initially is whether you have the potential of offering the thing that they're looking at. So we could kind of call that alignment. The second component is credibility. They're looking to see instantly, are you reputable? If you offer what I'm looking for, are you reputable? There's some kind of examples where they might be looking for something more specific, right? So then their focus shifts to the navigation of the website. For example, if you're looking for a restaurant and maybe you're wanting to find the menu, you can go to the restaurant, you kind of look for some maybe credibility, right, through how many stars it has on Google or something like that. But by the time you get to the website, you're looking to find information. So that type of alignment of getting an answer to your question, do they offer the thing that I'm looking for, is really what visitors are trying to determine in the first 5 to 10 seconds before transitioning to the question of, are they a good provider of this service and are they the provider I want to choose?